Ain't that a window? Chilling.
God damn.
I gotta let it grow out, but I'm being homeschooled though. That's why I wasn't at school today. I'm gonna try. My dad's might be taking me homeschool, so.
Why?
Gotta get my I can get my degree faster or diploma or whatever.
That's what's up, man.
My horn's loud on. Huh? My horn's loud on. What's up, Josh? Damn.
So you got a new damn car?
Huh?
You got a new car or somebody else's?
You wasn't badass. Hey, bro, your ex is in here? I know. Why you think we'll heal?
Oh, shit. No problem.
How about it? Huh? How about it?
She's right there in Jackson.
I know, it's right with her. She told me, don't you dare fucking bring the lawnmower up here again.
Yeah.
Last night. So
She was like, yeah, better not do it. I told her I'm not the stupid one now, am I? She always called me the stupid one for doing shit. For like jumping off roofs and doing parkour and shit, like backflips and front flips and jumping off 2 stories and shit like that. She called me the stupid one, but who's bringing the lawnmower up here to the border? I'm eating a burger, right?
Why's she leaving? Is she leaving? Or is she working here?
She working.
Oh. You want some Sour Patch Kids, bro?
Shit, yeah.
Get some, just been grubbing on it.
Huh? They rode it from my house up here. Oh yeah, he's at my house. He might be back tonight. We might have some drinking shit. We were drinking last night, that's why. Oh, I'm video recording. I'll send it to you. It's on video recording, sure.
These dudes is just wilding out to the max.
Might as well just hand me a shot. Hey, Ezzy. Told you they're stupid.
Oh yeah, it don't get no better than this.
Oh yeah,
let's go on Facebook. For sure. I'll tag y'all in it too.
Alright, just tag James, man.
It don't matter.
Nah, but I cut my hair because I made a promise to my aunt. She was like, cut your hair for me. I was like, alright. She goes, please promise me that you'll cut your hair. I was like, oh, I hate when people promise because I won't break a promise at all. So I was like, fuck it. So I cut my hair for her.
Promise me you don't be you fucking right.
It happens, man.
Watch him come back to beautiful shit. He's gonna be like that.
Go. Scoot up, go.
What'd you say?
Redneck country.
Alright, I'll see y'all later.